What are superfoods? Superfoods are foods that are exceptionally rich in nutrients and antioxidants. Common examples include berries, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and spices like turmeric. These foods are often praised for their potential to boost the immune system, reduce inflammation, and improve overall health. The role of diet in cancer prevention. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes is consistently associated with a lower risk of many types of cancer. These foods contain a variety of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and phytochemicals that work together to protect cells from damage. However, it is crucial to understand that no single food or nutrient can prevent or cure cancer. Scientific evidence on superfoods and cancer. 1. Berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are high in antioxidants like vitamin C and flavonoids. Laboratory studies have shown that these compounds can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce inflammation. However, more research is needed to confirm these effects in humans. 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts contain sulforaphane, a compound that has been shown to have anti-cancer properties in lab studies. Sulforaphane may help detoxify carcinogens and inhibit the growth of cancer cells. 3. Turmeric. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, has been studied for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Some studies suggest that curcumin can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce tumor size in animal models. Clinical trials in humans are ongoing to determine its effectiveness. 4. Green tea. Green tea is rich in catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which has been shown to have anti-cancer properties in laboratory studies. EGCG may help prevent cancer cell growth and induce apoptosis, programmed cell death, in cancer cells. Limitations and considerations. While these superfoods show promise in laboratory settings, cancer is a complex disease influenced by multiple factors, including genetics, environment, and lifestyle. No single food or nutrient can prevent or cure cancer. Instead, a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods, combined with a healthy lifestyle, is the best approach to reducing cancer risk. Expert opinions. Experts from institutions like the Dana-Farber Cancer Institute and the American Institute for Cancer Research emphasize that while superfoods can be part of a healthy diet, they are not a magic bullet for cancer prevention or treatment. The focus should be on overall dietary patterns and lifestyle choices rather than individual foods.